Windows subsystem for Linux can be incredibly slow if you don't know how to use it properly. And to use it properly, you're gonna need just two things. First of all, I'm gonna check the versions of distributions that I have, and as you can see, I have NixOS version 2 and I have Ubuntu version 1. And the first thing you want to do is you want to set the version of your distribution to be 2. You can do that by writing WSL set version, the name of the distribution and the version. It's gonna take a couple of minutes. Now we can open it. And the second mistake that you might be making is you might be using the Windows file system inside of your Linux distro, which I'm actually doing right now. You see, this is actually a Windows folder mounted to WSL. And you shouldn't make Linux operate on Windows folders. Instead, you should go to the root and store your projects here. By the way, if you're more comfortable using the Windows Explorer instead of navigating in the terminal, you can do it like this. So to summarize, make sure you use version 2 and make sure you don't use the Windows file system inside WSL. And thanks for watching.